Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss subtraction of monomials. So example 8, subtract 3x from 7x. Here also we can use two methods. As we have used in addition of monomials, horizontal method and column method, we also can use in subtraction first of all column method. So we have two numbers 7x and 3x. So step 1 is subtract 3x from 7x. We write the expression from which the other expression is to be subtracted. So firstly 7x and then 3x. Then step 2, we change the sign of the terms to be subtracted. Okay, because we are going to subtract 3x from 7x, so we change the sign of 3x. We have positive 3x, so we make it minus 3x. Then step 3, 7 minus 3 is 4 and x as it is. Variable is the same. We add 7 plus minus 3, 7 minus 3, that is 4. Second is horizontal method. We write the numbers in horizontally. Then 7x minus 3x. 7x plus minus 3x. We need not to write like this. We can directly subtract 7x minus 3x. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. Now subtraction of binomials. Subtract minus 3a square plus 2b square from minus 4a square plus 3b square. So by column method we are going to subtract firstly. Then we write this number. Firstly minus 4a square plus 3b square. Then we write this expression minus 3a square plus 2b square. Then we change the sign of the subtrahend. So minus 3, here is minus 3a square, so we write plus, and here is plus 2b square, so we change it into minus. So we can see minus 4a square and plus 3a square. Minus 4 plus 3, answer is minus 1. So we need not to write minus 1, so we write minus and the variable a square. In this expression 3b square and 2b square, 3b square is positive and 2b square is negative, so 3 minus 2 is 1 and we need not to write 1, so answer is b square. Now horizontal method, minus 4a square plus 3b square minus, then we write the second number minus 3a square plus 2b square. Okay, then minus 4a square as it is plus 3b square as it is, then minus minus becomes plus 3a square, then minus plus minus 2b square. When we have minus sign out of the bracket, the signs of the bracket will get changed. So minus 3 becomes plus 3 and plus 2 becomes minus 2. Now arrange the like terms. So minus 4a square and plus 3a square plus 3b square minus 2b square. Then answer is minus a square plus b square. So dear students, now we are going to subtract trinomials. So example 10, subtract 3a cube plus 2b cube minus 3ab from minus 2a cube minus 4b cube plus ab. First of all we write this expression, then we write this expression, and we are going to solve this by column method. So we write this expression, then we write this expression, then we change the signs of the subtrahend. So here is plus 3, so we change minus, plus है तो minus, then minus है तो plus, then we subtract minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 and a cube minus and minus, so minus 4 plus 2 is 6, b cube, then plus 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 1ab plus 3ab, so 4ab is your answer. Now question example 11, from the sum of 3x square plus 2y square minus x square minus 4y square plus 2xy and 6xy plus 2x square minus 3y square, subtract this. So first of all we add all these expression, then we subtract. Fine, first we add. So we are adding by horizontal method, then we subtract from this the sum of these three expressions, then we subtract. Okay students, this is how worksheet 6 you will solve. Then worksheet 7, this is also very easy. So finding the value of an algebraic expression. Question is, find the value of 2x plus 3y plus 1 if x is 3 and y is minus 2. So putting the values of x and y in the given expression, 2x plus 3y plus 1, 2 multiplied by x, 2x means 2 multiplied by x, 3y means 3 multiplied by y, and 1 as it is. So 2 multiplied by x, we put the value of x 3, then 3 multiplied by y, so 3 we put the value of y, that is minus 2 plus 1. So 2 3 just 6, 3 2 ja 6, but plus minus minus and plus 1. So 6 minus 6 is 0 and plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is how you will solve worksheet 7. And also I am sending you the solutions. If you find any problem in solving worksheet 6 and 7, you can discuss with me. Don't copy from the solutions. First of all, you will try to solve the examples by yourself, then try to solve the sums of worksheets, and if you find any problem, you can discuss with me. Don't copy from the solutions. Okay, thank you.